Editor is this is AdWords Editor here. It's a tool, free tool built by Google, which helps you manage your campaigns. It works offline. It's an application you have to download, and it just makes life a lot simpler. So, for example, if you have all these ad groups here, and the link changes or something, I can just go choose all of the ads here and just change the display URL here, and it changes for all of them. So say, and I can pick only like 10. I can pick only these 10 maybe, and I can change the final URL to something else. Or the headline. And we were talking about different customized ad texts, ad groups. So what we can do is, so let's create a new campaign from scratch. Campaign, ad group, headline, first line, second line, display URL, final URL. So let's create a completely new campaign. Let's say call this summer 2016. No, let's not put the number. No, Excel doesn't like numbers. Let's call it just summer. What are we advertising now? Let's take flowers. Flower delivery. Let's say flower delivery. Tallinn. Flower delivery. Tartu. Flower delivery. Viljandi. Deliver roses to Tallinn. Deliver roses to Viljandi. And obviously, you can be more precise as well about it. Cheap roses. Cheap flower delivery, fast flower delivery. Okay, let's say these are our ad groups, and these are our keywords that we want to use as well. Let's actually maybe start from that. So so let's say these are our keywords, and we want to have a custom ad text for each of those keywords. We just copy paste the keyword as the ad group name as well. You have the campaign here, so I just select this campaign ad group keyword. I don't have this campaign, I don't have these ad groups, don't have these keywords anywhere. I just go and I choose keywords here. Where do I have keywords? Keywords are here. I say make multiple changes. My data includes columns for campaigns and or ad groups. Paste this here. Because the first row was campaign ad group keyword, it already knew what my columns mean. So this first column was the campaign, this was the ad group, this was the keyword. I click process, finish and review, and voila, I have a new campaign that has all these ad groups. So AdWords all groups exist. Now, if I go back, let's create ads as well. So I want to have the keyword in the ad text, headline. Okay, put it in the headline. Let's say 24-hour delivery. Let's create prices, call now. I can use the same ad copy for all of these ads here. I can check, okay, let's check if the lines are not too long. So the formula for that, len, 23 letters for this, so we're fine. 35 is the maximum. Display URL, let's say we want to have the display URL is, let's say, flowers.com. We want to have the keyword in the display URL as well. So we again use the Excel formula, say flowers.com, and the ad group in the URL. Now let's see. So I have my custom URLs here. These include spaces, so I want to get rid of the spaces. Because it's a formula, I can't add and replace here. I just say copy, paste special values. Now it's I can do edit replace as well. Replace space with dash, replace all, close. So voila, I have my display URLs. I want to check if they're not too long again. 27, okay, some of them might be. So these ones are too long. Let's say I want to just use this. Okay, now all are under 35. Okay, I say I also want to have a second variation of the ad text as well to A/B test. So now I can put free delivery only today. Create prices call now. I'll just leave this as it is. I have my 19 ad text here. I just say, actually, good to have these column names as well. Go to editor, then I choose ads, text ads. I have to keep the changes. Make multiple changes. Again, my data includes columns for campaigns and ad groups. Copy paste, campaign, ad group, headline. So this was description line 1. I hadn't specified that it was the wrong name for the column. Display URL, final URL, process. Voila, I have in my new campaign, each ad group now has 2 ads. So cheap, and they're all customized to the keyword. They look a bit weird, lower caps, not to worry. I select all of them, edit, change capitalization, and I take headline, change capitalization to title case. Voila, all of the titles are changed. Then I have these errors here. I want to check, okay, what are these errors? Because I created the campaign from Excel, I don't have a budget here. Okay, I'll say €1 here, for example. I want to see what I'm targeting. I'm targeting Estonia, English. Okay, I actually also want to target Estonian and Russian. Okay. Still have some yellow errors. What are these here? Let's check. Warning, your ads don't have any bids. Okay, makes sense. I select all of them. Add, like, say, a bid. And voila, no more error messages. Check changes. Let's check everything is okay with Google. All is good. I can upload the campaign. I'm all good. I have in less than 10 minutes 9 ad groups, each customized to the keyword with 2 custom ad texts as well. Now this was very scrappy ad text, not ideal, but in theory this is what you can do with Editor. Now you can go around and edit the ads in bulk as well. So for example, if you see that, okay, this 24-hour delivery thing is now actually 7 hours, I'm going to put 7-hour delivery. And all the ads are changed. In AdWords, I would have had to go edit each ad text separately. And now all is done. Yeah, you can add the extension. Well, not all of the extensions. You can add site links. Some of the other extensions you can't add. So, because you see, there are call extensions, call out extensions, site links you can add, but the other extensions you have to add in the AdWords account. So you don't have all the extensions here. But you can add site links here as well. So yeah, and you can drag and drop, copy paste. So if you have now, say, happen to have all the keywords in one. So this is something I like to do actually when I start. Let's put. Keyword keyword 1. So keyword summer. What was some of the ad groups here? Cheap roses, ad group. Let's say I started off with my keywords all in one ad group. So all keywords are, say, in this ad group. So now I made all these ad groups, and I just want to move these keywords here. These keywords I want to move here, so I can just easily drag and drop keywords from one place to another. I can also copy paste campaigns across accounts as well. So I can just take this account, copy, and paste it in some other AdWords account. I can add multiple accounts to Editor.
Is it best to add keywords at campaign level or ad group level?
Keywords are only on ad group level. Okay. You can have campaign level keywords. Okay. The keywords are always on ad group level. So campaign settings are all on a campaign level, but ads and keywords are on ad group level.
Second question: do you have a video of what you've just done?
I was trying to record it actually now, so let's see if it worked. So I can try and send that video as well.
It seems really useful, but
yeah.
I need to do it a couple of times before.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, we were running out of time a bit, so I had to rush through it a bit. But the first time you're going to do it, you're not going to do it. So you're going to have some questions. I've just done it a million times. So if you master it, this is how fast you can create campaigns. But even if you're using it for the first time and you need to use, you need to change 15 ad texts, the time you spend learning is probably less than the time you would just go and change those ads one by one. So if you want to get into managing AdWords accounts, this is a must-know tool. I would not. I would just give up if I would have to do all that manually. This would not work.
You know with the extensions.
Yeah.
Would you have to have like a separate? Would you kind of put them into a separate Excel spreadsheet, copy them, and paste them into the extensions section, or could you append columns to that first Excel spreadsheet that you had? Where you had the campaign and group.
Mm-hmm.
Line 1, line 2.
No, you have to add them separately. So there's like all these things here. So under ads and extensions, you have, for example, site links, and you have make multiple changes again. You can add those for a particular campaign as well. So let's say I want to add these to let's say not importing here, link text, Mother's Day discount, flowers.com, Mother's Day, something like this. So now it added 9 site links. So finish, and now I have the site links in each campaign. But you can also do the same logic in Excel. You can have a campaign, ad group, then link. So I could use this, for example. Let's say link text, and Mother's Day discount, for example. Add this into all of the account. Say link. This is final URL. Final URL. Mother's. And now you can add. It don't actually. It doesn't make sense to do it like this. Actually, it's you would if you want to do it on an ad group level, this is how you do it. If you want to do it on a campaign level, you just choose campaign. Let's do it in a different tab. So summer, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Father's Day, flowers.com. So this also makes it slightly easier to add the site links. So you have data includes columns for campaigns and or ad groups. Campaign, link text, final URL. Now I have these campaign level site links for the whole campaign. So before these were ad group level ad groups, site links. These are now campaign level ones, and I can drag and drop these to other campaigns as well. So.
Want to create an ad group, keyword group with multiple keywords.
Yeah.
What should I write the keyword group?
Mm-hmm.
Like keywords and like keyword group I have only one word.
If you want to have multiple keywords in one ad group, then where was the keyword? So this is what I was doing here. So you have campaign, ad group, keyword. So you have the same campaign, same ad group, and different keywords. and now you just copy these, and then they will automatically go to this campaign. You can just choose these keywords here as well. You don't, if you're only adding them to one ad group, you can just say I want to go at multiple changes. I want to use selected campaigns. I want to add them in this keyword, this group. Actually, yeah, now it's a bit annoying. I need to. Oh, this is site links. Sorry, wrong place. Keywords. Make multiple changes. Again, this ad group. Now I'm adding these keywords in this one ad group, and now they're all here in this one ad group. So, but yeah, the beauty of editor is that you can make endless amount of ad groups with custom ads, and it doesn't matter if you have 10 ad groups or 100 or 1,000, basically. As what I did here now for these 9 ad groups, I could have easily had done it for 900 as well. Just copy paste the ad group as the headline. I have the same first line and second line. Have the display URL, the keyword in the display URL, same URL here as well. Obviously, it becomes more difficult if you have different URLs. Then you should have a custom URL for each ad group. Then it's not so simple, but still better than doing it manually. So